Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. Sorry, I don't have time to film my intro. If you're interested how to get these curls, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. It's gonna be like a little bit weird and different tutorial from me, but this is something that I've been doing twice. I'd say I haven't been doing this a lot of times, but this is just something that changed my routine completely. Every single time I try to do my hairstyle and curl my beautiful hair, I face like weird problem that it has like weird and stiff curl everywhere and I have to brush it off, and that's my problem honestly. But with this technique and this routine, I love how my curls turn out every single time. I'm gonna brush my hair. First of all, I use my shampoo, then I use a conditioner, then I take off my conditioner, then I use leave-in conditioner and some other serum or something like for my hair. And then after that I would use like heat protection and then blow dry my hair. I will definitely leave my hair for at least 20 or 30 minutes so any extra moisture evaporates and just like it's not in my hair anymore. Because if you do your hairstyle right after you blow dry your hair, it's just gonna the curl is gonna fall down instantly because it has too much moisture, I would say. Now what I do, I have like two curlers. The first one is BaBylissPRO and it is EP technology and has some small waves, I'd say. It's just wavy style. I use it for my roots and it's given some extra volume to my roots, and they don't really feel greasy that soon, so I can wear my hairstyle for 3 days. Yeah, for about 3 days. I'm gonna use my glove, and first I'm gonna create volume. So I'm gonna press it twice and the rest I'm gonna leave. I usually try to do this curl like here, and then I leave like a small section like that to cover my wave, so it's not that obvious that I have this wave, though yeah, of course you can see that, but it's not really obvious. Okay, now we're gonna cover something like that. Here's gonna be the section that is gonna cover this part of like this side of my head. So we're done. Now we have some extra volume. First of all, I'm gonna again take off some upper section and then divide the lower section into two parts. They have to be tight. It shouldn't be something extra tight, but it's better to have something more or less tight. This is my section number 2. It's given 2000 vibes, I know that. We are gonna do the same ponytail right here. This one. And what I really love to do, I brush this side, and where I have like the main curl, when I want to focus the main curl, I would do this on the side. So I wouldn't put this up, I will put this on the side. And now we're gonna start curling. It's gonna be as usual. I'm gonna use my Remington. This is Remington model Ci95. And the setting is 180 degrees. We're gonna grab like a small piece, small section, and then curl that around. I'll leave for about like 20 seconds, probably like 25 seconds, and that's it. And then I will try to cool this down for a couple seconds. You don't need anything crazy, and then leave it like that. And boom, this is it. So we're gonna repeat the same step with the rest of my sections. My curls has cooled down completely, and now I'm gonna use a little bit of my L'Oreal oil, Elsef or something, Elsef, L'Oreal Pre Elsef. I use only 1 drop of oil. It says 3 or 4 pumps. Honestly, it's too much. I'd say that even 1 pump is enough, is more than enough. And I would not use oil before my curls because I used to do that and I always felt like something was burning, and mostly my hair were burning. That's why, guys, my recommendation, use oils after you're done with your styling and not before. It's literally gonna burn your hair. So let's take off the curl. I'm gonna start from the lower section, but it just doesn't really matter, guys. Start whatever you want. This section is still a little bit warm. I have like no extra time. And now I will flip my hair and then just try to break these curls. I will let it set for a couple of minutes. I wouldn't use a brush at this point. Like right now, brush might take too much, but if you want to, of course, you can go to a brush. Well, I'm gonna put on my outfit for today. Leave my hair like that for a couple of minutes because they're gonna set a little bit, they're gonna put a little bit down, so it's just gonna need a little bit of timing. And then I'll conclude the video, guys. Okay, guys, this is the outfit, this is the look. I'm so late, guys, so I'm not gonna do like a long outro. I brushed my hair a little bit, just like one time, and this is the final result. Hope you love it, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye.